Hello everyone. Today I'm here to give you a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to get started with Nifty for project management. Simply click the link in the description box to access the platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's begin by signing up for a free Nifty account. Just enter your work email, full name, and choose a password. After verifying your email, you'll create your workspace. Name it based on your company, organization, or project, and choose your preferred mode. Import data from other project management tools if needed. Next, specify the number of teammates you'll be working with. Once import's done, then create your project and select a template to kickstart your workflow. Now let's create your first task. Start by adding a task list to your dashboard. Enter details like the task name, due date, assignee, and description. You can even add subtasks. Use different views like dashboard and roadmaps. You can also use goals, reporting, calendar, my work, and inbox to visualize your tasks and progress. Communicate with your team using Nifty's chat feature and share documents seamlessly. You can also customize your workspace by choosing an avatar and theme color. Explore Nifty's pricing plans to unlock additional features and benefits. And that's it. You're ready to start managing your projects efficiently with Nifty. Explore its features, customize as needed, and enjoy seamless collaboration with your team by clicking the link in the description box to try it for free. Thanks for watching.